Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be creating the 3D number 4 that I had used on a previous video that I did. It was the Frozen theme party. I will put that somewhere up there. And this video actually is highly requested. A lot of people was asking me questions like private messages, DM and stuff like that, where how did I make the 4D, I mean the 3D. So I didn't use the template. I kind of like fully drawing it. You can actually buy the template online. I heard some people sell them, but I didn't want to spend the money on that. I figured that I could do it by myself. So this will be my first attempt making it. It wasn't the best, but it got the job done and I like the end result. So feel free to get the template online. I don't know how much they cost, but you could get the template or you could try to do it yourself, just like I did. And a couple of things that you will need, this is the styrofoam. No, it's not a styrofoam, it's the insulation. You could get that at Lowe's or Home Depot. This insulation probably cost you around $12, I think it was, but I had got a discount because it was bented a little bit, so I asked them for a discount. I think I ended up paying $8 for it. So yeah, yes, you'll need the styrofoam board, that's number one, and you'll need a box cutter, a glue gun, and you also need a tape just in case you cut the wrong thing so you could put it back together again. And this was my first time making this without a template, so hopefully the second time will be much better. If you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the push notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when I upload a new video. And please leave me a comment of what you think about this project that I did. Let's keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video.